In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix party chat not working here in Arc Raiders. So if you can't hear your teammates or they can't hear you, I'm going to walk you through a few things that you can check to fix the problem. If this guide does help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, check the basics, make sure your mic isn't muted and that it works properly whether you're on PC or console, and double check your console settings, your mic connection, and your headset input just to make sure everything is recognized and active. If all of that is fine, what you're going to want to do is go into your settings, and once you are in your settings, go ahead and navigate up at the top to the audio tab. Now, there's a few key things to check within here. First things first, go ahead and scroll down and find the voice chat volume. You may have to scroll down a little bit to see this, but essentially just go ahead and make sure this is, turned up to at least 100%. Obviously, 100% or higher is ideal. If you want to be extra safe, just max it out so nothing is too quiet. But from here, scroll down a little bit more and you're going to see a voice chat option. This is extremely important. Make sure voice chat is actually enabled. If this is off, you simply won't hear anyone and they won't hear you. From here, under the open microphone option or the party voice chat mode, make sure it is set to either push to talk, or you could also put it on toggle to talk, as well as set it to open mic so you can talk freely without pressing anything. Once you have checked and corrected those settings, your party chat should be working again. If it doesn't, feel free to, ask any questions down in the comments and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it does help the channel, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.